Since 2 days ago, we started with the disinfection of churches and mosques. So within my electoral area, I'm having 22 mosques. 2 days ago, with our honorable MP, we disinfected all the Friday prayers mosques. And today, from this morning, we were able to disinfect the rest of the smaller mosques within the electoral area. So we started around 8 a.m. and got finished around 10:30 a.m. We did it mainly because of the direction that the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, during his 10th speech on Sunday, he made mention that from on the 5th June, all mosques and churches will be open, but then he gave us the limitations of the congregants, which is 100 people at a particular time during prayers. So due to that, we want to disinfect all the mosques so that before the people will come and pray, the mosques have been disinfected. So as I'm speaking to you now, all the Friday mosques within my electoral area has been disinfected. Some notable mosques within the electoral area are the Green Mosques, Aquates Mosques, Shadow Mosques, and Aquates B Mosques. All those mosques have been infected. If you could hear him on Sunday, he said every month. So we have taken it upon ourselves that every month all the mosques will be disinfected. So as we did it yesterday and today, yesterday was on the 4th, today is on the 5th. So hopefully by next month on the 4th and 5th, we'll continue with the disinfection of all the mosques within the electoral area.